12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, you're gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
This is lot 165. It's an AMADA 1/4x10 shear. Has a lot of nice options on it, especially if you're doing some lighter materials. It's got rear magnetic sheet supports that are going to go ahead and lift that material, so when it goes back, it's not going to dip at all. You also have these front gauges right here. See, the machine runs great. You got your gauges as supports, got a nice square arm. Here's your back gauge, forward and reverse. You'll see your numbers changing right there. Back gauge is indicator spinning. Inch into wherever you need to be. Get right onto where it needs to be. You put your material in. We'll make a few cuts here just so you can see. Cutting some nice heavy material. It's a nice clean cut, no burrs. If we take a look at the back here, you'll see here's your controller for your magnetic sheet supports. And your sheet supports are going to go ahead and help it magnetize, obviously, to hold your material up and make it so you get exactly the cut you're looking for when you put it into that back gauge. Now, if you're looking for a shear, AMADA, or any other brand, take a look. There's a lot of nice machines at this auction, a lot of different lots. This is lot 165 AMADA shear. Good luck, happy bidding. I hope you get a great deal. Thank you.
You're at 9, don't raise your own bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the mid, now 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10,500. 10,500 to the mid, now 10,500. 10 to the mid, now 10,500. 10,500 to the mid, now 10,500.